Not knowing what the river conditions are, the Rigrap organizer allows us to prepare and meet all coming obstacles. When we reach our destination, this will allow us to select the proper gear that will be applied to the conditions that we're facing. When we're fishing on the Somas River for sockeye, we're often deep across the river, and it would make it very difficult to go back and forth when we lose gear. So rig wrap allows us easy selection, easy re-hookup, and then more time on the water. One of the challenges we are facing fighting these salmon is when they run down river, to be able to follow them and keep our balance. This is a fast moving river. Even though it may only go up to our knees, the amount of volume of water is tremendous.
Yeah.
Should I take a movie? Is the guy taking a movie?
Yeah, I'm taking a movie too.
Body today, but they're pissed.
Yeah.
We have to work for them today.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay. Clear.
Spay fishing on the Puntledge River for chum salmon fresh from the ocean is another challenge to find that magical fly. So it's important to be organized, especially using tube flies. I have them pre-rigged in the separate yellow rig wrap cases for easy selection